What you see here is a 52-inch polished brass Hunter Ornate Original ceiling fan. It is called the Ornate Original due to the ornate pattern on the faceplate. This fan is R&M with reverse air brackets and your typical Hunter Original blades for the time. It's 2-speed, and I got the ceiling fan from Habitat, the first original I've ever found at a Habitat restore, and in turn, the first Hunter Original that I've found just in the midst of my area. Because I currently own 8 originals, tangent alert here, I own 8 originals, 5 of which I've gotten off of eBay, which have come elsewhere from the United States, 2 of which I've gotten from a local fan store that's closing down, which I may have mentioned in my fan haul video, and then this one came from Habitat. So I have gotten technically 2 others from like here in Philly, but this is the only one I have that's like come out of like say some random person's house or a restaurant or something, because those 2 fans at the fan store were like stowed away in storage for all these years until now. But this one was like installed somewhere here in the Philly area and, you know, was brought to the restore because... So yeah, it's just the first one. It's kind of cool because I've just been waiting for the day that I find an original at a restore, and today's finally that day. So I got this fan for free, which was awesome, and I got it with 2 Panamas, one in antique brass and one in white. I did post on Instagram about this, but the white Panama actually missed the Instagram post. So there it is, right over there. A video on that fan coming soon. And hopefully the antique brass Panama as well. Anyways, so I guess now I'll demonstrate this fan. There's high. And the vibration of the blades does make quite a bit of noise, but it blows great air. It does wobble a bit. Also, I've heard some fan collectors say that Hunter Originals are kind of rare in the northeastern part of the United States. I don't know if that's true or not, but I have heard some people say that, and if anyone like thinks they know or not, you can say something in the comments, I guess. And there's low. I'll turn it off. And this fan has a good spin down time to it, which indicates that it's been oiled well throughout its lifetime. Or perhaps it's one of those miracle originals that's never been oiled and still runs flawlessly. I don't really know which, but either way, it seems to run pretty well. Yeah, nice long spin down time for Hunter Original standards. And before I end the video, I'll give you a quick close-up tour of the fan. So there you go. This is my 52-inch polished brass Hunter Ornate Original. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.